Hey guys, welcome to a Christmas tour of my room. So what I mean by that is I am going to go around my room and show you all of my Christmas decorations and explain a few of them if they have any stories behind them. So we are going to start with the most decorated part of my room, my toy box. So this is our first little corner of the toy box. We have our beautiful Ferris wheel back here. One of the reindeer fell off. I don't know where he went, but it's a working Ferris wheel, kind of semi-working. She's rough, but she's powering through. Had him at least 13 years, definitely more, but had her as long as I've been alive. Anyways, there we go. There's supposed to be a light in this little church. Okay, well, she's dying, but this little church, I've also had her as long as I can remember. It's really cute, and I just put these trees that we got from Walmart this year around it. We have a pink tree, we have a regular little tealish tree, and then we have this snowy tree, and it has little like cranberries in it. Not really on this side, but on this side she does. And then her opposite is just a regular old green Christmas tree. A really snowy tree, and she has a little curve. Then we have this little sparkly green one that has little snow on it too. So that's our church. And then we got this right here. It's you're supposed to plug it into the wall and like clap and it turns on. Like whatever you have plugged into it turns on. But it wasn't working, so I'm just putting it back there. It's from Christmas vacation. Okay, our next section right here, we got this little joy thing. This is newer edition. I think it's just its second or third year being in my room, but it says joy. The Y is a reindeer, the O is a reef, and the J is a J. But yeah, and behind it, we have this little porcelain, clay, whatever, tree, and then this one is like made of fabric. It's a little tree. Those are on both sides of this little snow globe. It's not professionally made, but it's cute, and we love her, and she's there. I guess I'm holding the phone for our last section. It's our nativity scene. We have like maybe 3 in here, I think. So this is my little, like, this is the one that I would play with when I was younger. We have the background, we have a shepherd, Mary and Joseph, and obviously baby Jesus, who is not centered. That's better. There's a donkey behind Joseph. And then we have a little palm tree right there. So first, we have the centerpiece. It's our beautiful pink Christmas tree, and the top is a little angel. It's like it's a pocket angel, but I'm obviously not using it as a pocket angel. I'm using it for the star of my Christmas tree. So that's my beautiful tree, and I've never done this before, but I've also never had picture frames on my dresser before. So this is my first year, and I changed all of the pictures to Christmas pictures. Over here we have just a little Christmas neighborhood, and then we have Santa carrying some gifts, and baby Jesus. We love baby Jesus. Then we have Winnie the Pooh over here in the Winnie the Pooh picture frame. Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Eeyore, and Tigger. And then we have Tigger in front of our Christmas tree. Next is our vanity. She's minimal decorated, but I'll still show you everything. So first, we have our little ducks that we won in a claw machine. So this is a snowman, and then this is just a little duck with a candy cane and a Santa hat. Next, we have 4 trees. On the left side of my vanity, we have a big red one and a little pink one. And on the right side, we have a little pink one and, nope, a big pink one and a little red one. Also coming from the right side, we have this little snowman. He's bald, but he has a hat to cover that up, and he's really cute. And on the right side, we have a nativity scene. We got a sheep and Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus. Whoop, whoop. Also, right side duck, left side duck. Bam, bam. Moving on to the final spot in my room that is decorated for Christmas, my nightstand. So, here we have, this is my real snow globe. My brother also has one. Cute. Then we have another pink little mini tree, and it sits on top of my big white fluffy tree next to little tiny Jesus. Then we have a cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie candle for our Christmas candle over here, sitting next to this little snowman that my grandma gave me a few days ago. And then, I'm not going to move this because it has stuff on top of it. We have this cute little Grinch hot cocoa set, but it's from last year, so all of the hot cocoa is out of it. So I'm just using it as a little Christmas decoration, and I set my phone charger and my clock on top of it. And on top of my bookshelf, I have my old advent calendar that I filled up with random little things around my room for this year. So let's open. Guys, I have to open 6 and 7. 6, this was from last year. I kept some of the things that I hadn't taken out just in there. No cell phones, pin, cutesy. And this is day 7. She's a big one. I don't know what's in here. Oh, there's a gift tags. Life's short. Talk fast. I'm the Lorelai to your Rory. On my mom's gift, I put the same thing, but it said, I'm the Rory to your Lorelai on it. So, that's my advent calendar of the day. Day because I keep forgetting to open it. So, she's kind of a Christmas decoration. That's my little Christmas room tour. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day, or a great night, or whatever time you're watching this. Have an amazing whatever. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.